Everyone, it's John here from Simplify again, and I wanted to share a little bit with you about the PES O2 encoder. G'day everyone, it's John here from Simplify again, and I wanted to share a little bit with you about the PES O2 encoder. Okay, this encoder, it's a low profile, let me show you that. Right there, it's a wheel encoder and it's spring loaded. Now with this particular encoder, we have collars to fit all these types of probes. So if you're doing B-scan, 2 meg, 24 mil, small 5 meg, 10 mil, 14 by 40 mil angles, 8 by 9 angles, or if you're twin crystal 5 meg, 10 mil, if you're doing lots of thickness gauging. Now, what's really good with this particular kit is, I'll just take this out here, it comes fully loaded up with all the attachments. 24, 14 by 14, 8 by 9, and also the twin crystal. What also comes in this kit is a couple of Allen keys, some spare screws in different lengths and different diameters to fit these different jigs, but these particular, the short arm and the long arm, so you're going to mount these arms to the probes and have the probe offset in the orientation, whether you're scanning, depending on how you're running your encoded data, whether you need to have the arm in this way or you need to have the probe coming out at a different angle to the encoder, and you may be running it this way. So let's do a few setups here with everything being attached, and you can see how it goes and what's included in the kit. Okay, because we've got the cable coming out from the probe and we've also got the cable coming out from the encoder, we don't necessarily, we don't want to get tangled up. So that's why we've included some of these cable ties here. Just keeps everything nice and organized out of the way. So in case we don't pull on anything there. And so we've got a couple of extras in the case, and we can put it down for a bit here, down the length, and then obviously all the way to the equipment. Okay, next we have is the large ring. It's considerably larger for the 2 meg twin crystal 20 mil transmitter receiver probe. It has a wear face on it. You see it's got a lip, but where we're going to grip is actually on this section here, so we're going to mount it onto there like that. You can see how much bigger this probe is compared to this little 5 meg 10 mil here. It's just a single crystal, but you can see the size difference. This particular connector can go directly under here, for example. This make sure that we put pressure on here and then we're tightening it up so that this is just a little spring just in behind there. And we don't want to over tighten it. Okay. Okay, everyone, that's enough from me now. I'm going to put this away. This particular PES2 is wired up for the smarter UT set, which we'll put up on the screen now. But there's a number of UT sets and thickness gauges that do have a B-scan encoder plugin, where they can be wired up for that as well. And here they are on the screen. Thank you very much. We'll see you around.